Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Hila Medina. In this moment, I would like to explain a little bit about pedophilia. I believe that most of us, I think, have been heard about pedophilia. In this moment, I would like to explain the definition about pedophilia, and then the kinds of pedophilia, and also the effort that can be done to handle the pedophilia. First of all, here are the definitions about pedophilia. According to Wikipedia.com, pedophilia is a psychological disorder that usually pedophilia happen to an adult or older adolescent. And then, as a medical diagnosis, pedophilia usually extend the cutoff point for prepubescence. Besides that, as we can see from the victim of pedophilia, usually pedophilia is such as an exclusive sexual attraction. After that, according to Teddy in Compass.com, there are some kinds of pedophilia. The first is immature pedophiles, the second is regressive pedophiles, and the last is aggressive pedophiles. The first kind of pedophiles is immature pedophiles. As we can see, some kinds of the victim of pedophilia usually use children as their target. From this definition, immature pedophiles usually the suspect getting closer with the children. And the second kind of pedophilia is regressive pedophiles. According to Teddy in Compass.com, regressive pedophiles is the pedophile's victim that usually she making sexual with the other beside his wife, and usually the victim of regressive pedophiles, he has a wife, but he always makes another sexual attraction with the other. And the last kind of pedophiles is aggressive pedophiles. Based on the name of the kinds of pedophiles, aggressive pedophiles, it can be defined as the pedophiles that also aggressive to the victim. As we can see from the several cases, the aggressive pedophiles usually kill the victim. So, according to Compass.com, we can conclude that there is three kinds of pedophiles. The first is regressive pedophiles, the second is immature pedophiles, and the last is aggressive pedophiles. And the last material is what is the effort that can be done to handle the victim of pedophiles. As you know from the several cases that pedophiles usually the suspects of pedophiles, he is the victim of pedophile in the past. So as the effort that can be done for the victim of pedophiles, usually some kind of psychological effort that can be done for the victim of pedophiles, they usually getting some kinds of consultation to handle these cases, because as we know, when the victim of pedophiles don't get any kinds of consultation, he in the future, if possible, he can making another people as his victim. Yes, I think that's all for me. If there is any question, I'll answer it.
Me.
Okay.
Okay. I want to ask you, as you say before, that there are three kinds of pedophilia.
Yes, that's
and
right.
As we know that several months ago, we watched on the televisions that the case of Amon.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Nice.
And I want to ask you,
Yes.
what your opinion about that, and then what kinds of pedophilia is it?
Oh, okay. Thank you, Ms. D, for your question. The first question is, what is my opinion about M1 case media?
Yes.
Okay. As we can see from the information on the television that M1 have, I think, many victims of M1. I think it's about 52, maybe 52 children that become M1's victim. And as I said before, from the three kinds of pedophiles, I think M1 case is including of immature pedophiles, because as I said before, that immature pedophiles is the pedophiles that usually use the children as their victim. So I think the M1 case is some kinds of immature pedophiles.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Another questions?
Me.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Astrid Pujastuti. I want to ask you, is there rehabilitation for pedophilians?
Okay, thank you. I will repeat your question. Is there any rehabilitation for pedophiles victim? Okay. As we can see from the information on television, there are several pedophilias in our country. But as we can see that I think there is no rehabilitation, because I think there are so many pedophilias in our country that that don't get any consultation from the psychology. So I think for the rehabilitation we haven't it in our country. So I think as I said before, that if we see or we find the victim of pedophilia, please give them some consultations, because I think can be the first effort that can be done by us to handle the victims of pedophilia. Okay, is there any questions?
No.
Okay, if there is no question, thank you very much for your kind attention, and that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.